Hello from Korea. Today we'll let you know basalt and granite light stand for garden or backyard. Of course, yes, it is natural stone by hand carving. It's all made by hands, which is that basalt and granite. As you know, basalt granite is natural stone. Also, when they making a different types and different size and all the different types. It is head and body, middle with base. You can put together like IKEA stuff because it is very easy. You can check and you may following the instruction sheet. Also, you can put in a light as you wish because inside of the stone made a hole. You can get through the line wire with bulbs. It is very nice during the night time. You may decorate your place such as front porch, backyard, and front door as you wish area. Of course, there's a solar power as well. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.